It's probably almost done. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. Hope everyone's had a great weekend and ready for a great week. It's going to be an interesting week with PPI and CPI and all this week. So let's take a look. The market falling. ES 67 went down to '09. Wow. So 58 points of range there, bouncing a little bit. NQ. Looks like its high was 0.37. It's dipped all the way down to 694. Holy Hannah. So that's 350 points in range. Copper? See, I thought I moved the yellow line for copper. Maybe I didn't. Oh, where is it? There it is, all the way up there. Boop. So looks like about about 5.5, so about 110 ticks in range. Ultra bond, about a little less than a point in range. Gold, looks like gold. Oh wow, gold's really dipped. Back under 2,700. Looks like about 40 points in range there. Crude oil. Crude oil's the only thing that's been happy. Well, natural gas is happy today too. But crude oil blew up at the open. See there, and about no, that's not right. All the way down here is right. So over 2 points in range there. Bitcoin down to 90K. It's still falling. Wow. Morning, Hassan. Morning, Hassan. How are you? So that's where we sit, stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. All that yap thing. Well, I just missed the short there. So real quickly, I want to. This is interesting. We can see here, right here. This is a beautiful long. And look at this short right here. Beautiful. Last night, I was mad at myself because I really wasn't paying attention to the charts. And look at this Asia session based on my strategy right here. This could have been 45 points. This could have been, 30 there, much more there. Bounce of 18, and look at that one. That's 60. And this bounce here would have worked. This would have worked. Everything would have worked last night. I could have been up thousands of dollars last night on the 5-minute chart. So we are trading top step again today. Just missed this pop here. News today. I don't think there's anything today. Then tomorrow starts the whole big news stuff. But let me look to make sure. Nope, no news today. Well, at 11 o'clock, New York Fed inflation expectations. Good morning, Amelia. How are you? How's your weekend? And we're falling again. You can see again, this is a perfect setup on the 5. It's already gone 17 points. Probably could have got 20. What's the ATR on the 5? Where's my ATR? 22. Oops. What did I do? Nothing. Okay. Thanks. Anywho. It's already, yeah, it's going 20 now. Look at that. Look at that beautiful move. Beautiful. Y'all can hear me, right? Whenever someone doesn't say anything back, I always worry no one can hear me. Okie dokie. I'll be right back myself. All right, I'm back. I'm gonna pop here. Ah, I missed it. Crap. Oh, it's giving me a second chance if I want it. I'll take it. Ah, that's not what I wanted. Maybe it is. Yeah, my top step X isn't working. That's not how I wanted to work, but okay, we'll go with that. For long, I'm gonna be nursing this account because it's it comes back and knocks me out. Dang it! This one only has 160 in drawdown. No, 150 in drawdown left. Morning, Mr. G. How you doing? It's cold here today. I only wanted a high of 19. Hey, EG trigger point. Never had an indicator speak to me like that before. Speaking of that, we are getting down to support 1 there. I did notice last night when I was looking at the charts and not taking trades that this support right, wait, no, let's turn back time. Turn back time. Actually, I forget how far back I gotta go when it's on a 30-second chart. How it was respecting this support line from the trigger point. Bounce, 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 and then finally broke there. Let's see how it handles this support number 1. Just touched it. I'm not touching you. Oh, look at that. Again, look at that beautiful setup of mine there. That purple candle down. I could have been trailing it, and this could have been a 35-point winner so far. Little bounce there, I didn't take. I missed that one. Boom, boom. Got to be more vigilant. Oops, okay. Wow, I really missed that one too. Look at that bounce. Look at that bounce. EG showed it perfectly. Look at the bounce off of to the tick, off the support area, the support line from the trigger point, and it bounced 40 points. Pulls back. I don't know. It hasn't really been slow overnight, so Uh, I don't know if we're gonna see. I mean, Mondays are normally a slow drag session, not like with drag queens or anything, but I don't know. Lately, we haven't really. It's not what we've been seeing. Morning, Chris. Mine was all right. How was yours? It's cold here today. Supposed to get a little snow again tomorrow. Look at that bounce off the trigger point. Still heading up. I didn't take that. I could have took that blue candle off the 5. It was like it's in my criteria. Didn't register in my brain. Yep, to the tick. Amazing. Morning, Speed Racer. Short. Bounces off the 20 now. And it's going to stop me out. No, maybe not. Yeah, it's playing with that 9 on the 5 minute, which is at 8:11. Stopped out. Yep, they love their dirty energy. Rising up. Let's see, Chris B. We're in the next one. What are my strategies? There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Wow, whoosh. Oh, it's going to bounce. Gonna get out. So I could have got more out of that, but I'll take it. Should have figured it was going to bounce just because big candles like that usually do. It bounced perfectly off the 9 EMA on the 5 minute chart. It's going to try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Nope, back up. Here it comes. Watching. Bounces. Blue candle bounce. Oh, wow. And then down. Wow. Whoosh. Morning, Ed. How you doing? Bounces again. Nice bounce. See, I missed the good ones, and that's okay. I'm doing good. Thank you, Ed. Can it break back through 800 so far? Ooh, bounced right on 850. Nice bounce. Coming all the way back. Wow, that was quite the bounce. Again, I missed the bounce. I'm not sure how I missed that bounce, but look at that. 28 points so far. So I didn't tell myself to go long. Short. No follow through. Come on. There we go. There's the drop. Morning, John. How was your weekend? Out of that trade, got 2 ticks. Nice. ATR. I can't see it. Yeah, it is, John. Alonzo and Bregman still out there. We're long again. We're long again. Just can't wait to get long again. The life I love is trading NQ with my friends. I just can't wait to get long again. Rising up. There we go. Finally a good trade. Oh, hit the Voyager. Pulling back. Still trying to rise. Let's put our stop right below that last candle. If it takes us out there, that's fine. It'll be a profitable trade. If it continues to go, we're good. And we're out. Another win. Bah. And there. So the tight trail there did not work. I should have continued to give it some room. I would have got a few extra points. That's okay. Morning, Robin. How are you? Oh, quick reversal. Doing good. Trying to short. Yeah, trying to short. Boom. Ooh, boom didn't last that long. Crap. Come on. Okay, moving our stop to break even, a little above it. Well, I should say. I just fall down to an EMA that I have sitting there that I don't even know what it is, but so it wants to try and bounce on it. Like a trampoline. We're gonna get out there. That was a decent win there. Should have got out right when it hit that EMA. Don't even know what EMA that is. A 9? No, that's not a 9. No, it's 100. 100 EMA. So I guess it'd be like a 50 on the 1 minute chart. For those of you that haven't heard, Take Profit Trader has removed their daily loss limit. Now, their daily loss limit was unique in the fact that it actually failed you if you hit it. They have removed it entirely. It's not even a soft breach anymore. It's gone. No more daily loss limit on Take Profit Trader. And bounce it did. Bounce be bouncy, bouncy. It is a bit of a letdown. We heard that there were changes coming, and we were hoping that it would be they would switch from intraday to end of day and funded. I don't mind a soft breach DLL, one that'll lock you out for the day, keeps people from going on tilt. I would much rather see a soft breach DLL and then a switch to the end of day in funded accounts. About 45 minutes till the bell.
Well, kind of, yeah, you're right, John. Well, it's 50% off Visual Trader. Yeah, Visual Trader, it's 50% off. That's the new deal, but with funded setup fees. Those are back. The actual eval for 100K is only 165. Thank you, Hassan. And I do have a new Gore the like button uh, thingy, or maybe I don't. Why didn't it pop up? Huh. Okay, so I'm not sure why my Gore the like button isn't working. Oh, that's why I'm on desktop. There we go. Now let's try it. That's why there's plenty of choices out there for every person likes something different. Gold bounced. Crude opens here in a few. Ultra Bond not having a happy day. Those of you that might be trading with Legends, just be aware that the owner of Legends is out in the California wildfire area. He's had to evacuate um, one of his offices. I'm not sure if it's the Legends office or not. Has had to evacuate. Everybody's working remotely. Not sure how much that might affect operations there. And I missed this trade. Back down. Sorry about the yawn. You can see on the 5 minute chart where it was pure chop. We've had some decent moves on the 1 minute. I mean the 30 second though. This would have been a 10 point move after 14. It's the one I missed, of course. A horse is a horse, of course, of course. And now we got a Papa. Papa. Ooh, I got in late. How did I do that? I didn't get in that late. Wow. But I caught most of the move. But now it's bouncing on me. Really? Continue to drop. Continue to drop. I told you to continue to drop, you jerk. And we're out. I see NQ trying to rise again. And back down. It's another purple. Numbers on it. Not bad numbers. Bounces on that EMA. Didn't take it. Oh, another bounce. Right at the top of the hour bounce. We have 30 minutes to the bell. Oh, there's a whoosh drop. The question of the day is, will we see RJ today? Oh, that's the purple candle I didn't take. That's the purple candle that working. Wow. Big drop here. Down to that support one again. We saw that perfect bounce off of that line before. Now it just broke through it. Let's see if it continues to go. We're down 36 points. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, 38 points now in the last minute and a half. Showing bounce signs, which is better than gang signs. Nope. Goes away. Now it's a bounce. Big bounce. Huge bounce. I'm going to try that bounce. Nope. Doesn't want to get above the 9. I probably was a mistake. Come on. How can a 9 be so important every freaking time frame?
There, maybe. There we go. Good morning, RJ. We were worried about you. I thought you said you would be back like the week earlier. How was the vacation? Think I regret not taking this off at $50. Oh, awesome. So that explains that. We were worried about you. We were worried you were kidnapped or something. Dang it. Dang it about the trade, not about you not being kidnapped. You bought $2,500 worth of alcohol for your wedding. I don't think that just occurred over the past couple of weeks. Yeah, I know. I thought about that as soon as I said it. I'm like, I better clarify that. Uh, Stop that. Still trying, still just playing around here. There's the bounce. So how much of an adjustment was it, RJ, to come back to the cold?
Morning, Ace. How was your weekend? Another perfect bounce off that support on the trigger. Oh, but never mind. It just whoosh. Ace, I think we can cancel that GoFundMe now to pay for RJ's ransom. We got you covered, Hassan. If you ever get kidnapped, have him call us. Market's been sad without you, RJ. You can see where it's dropped down to. There's a pop. Hey, USC. RJ's back. Long. Doesn't seem to want to go, though. No one better tell Mrs. Ace either. Ah, are you kidding me? Bounce again. Bounce again. Bounce again. Dang it. Well, now you bounce again. Oh, 12 minutes till the bell. That's the move I wanted and I didn't get. Boom. So 10 minutes till the bell, and we're just under 2,800. Down. It's not reading the market well today. Look back here. Eh, maybe the market's just not giving me what I want today on the 32nd. What does 1 minute look like? Not really. There. I mean, that would have been a nice move down. So what trend is basically better right now than okay. We'll see how the bell changes everything. My warning, I did get the Gore the like button changed. That one is new, but the bell is still gonna be Christmas bells. I still need to do that one. Ready to do that one? But hey, I still have my Christmas tree up till tomorrow. Do any scouting for the Jays while you're down there, RJ? Excuse me 1 second. I gotta empty a mousetrap. Hate killing things. Still falling. Back down to 768. Oh, they said he's became an alcoholic, so he may not remember the trip. So we have no news catalysts today. Tomorrow is PPI, Wednesday is CPI, Thursday is, of course, jobless claims. Big week, big week. Plus, I think earnings. I think people start reporting earnings this week too. Not sure. I gotta check that. Gotta check it. I applaud you for being able to spell Argentinians. I'm wrong about earnings. I don't see anything. Oh yeah, I'm right. City Group. Yeah, earnings season starts. So my prediction is we come down at the bell. We're gonna find a bottom, and then we're gonna reverse up big. Wait, when did you start posting levels, Ace? I feel like this is new. Hey, I like it. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. Ooh, well, ES is bouncing, so I might be wrong about that coming down at the bell. Oh, now I'm gonna have to make that graphic. There's a pop and down. Indecisive so far. And now blue candle pop again. And goes. Back to red. Hey, Ghost, how you doing? Good to see you. Ooh, big pop. Love it when you call me Big Papa. Back down, back up, down, up. That was a mistake. Know what it wants to do here. Ugly open. Yeah, I don't like this price action at all. And down. Yeah, Dow, beautiful candle there on the 5 minute, 108 points. Much better than right now NQ's doing. Even, ES is even doing better than it right now. NQ is just indecisive. Still falling. NQ down to 720. Overnight low, I believe, is 694. Yeah, 694. Big pullback on the YM. Hit 260 down to 185. Huge pullback. There's a rise up. Dang it, really? Oh, okay. There's that bounce back down. I don't believe it. Back down. Should have taken that Dow short there. That was a perfect setup on the 5 minute. Just can't get any momentum up yet. That said, I could see it bouncing off overnight low and then maybe curling back up. Oh, there's a pop that I missed because I was checking the hourly chart. Look at that. Dang it, 20-point pop off a blue candle and I missed it. Wow, look at that. So I missed the reversal. 50 points. Pulls back again, hitting that support line. Hey, Crypticon, how you doing? I can already see it now. The great friendship between RJ and Ace that has lasted years. It even survived Seth. Gets broken up by USC. Oh, YM, big bounce heading upwards. NQ, totally bipolar today. And popping back up, so we're moving now somewhat. Struggling again. There's a pop. And nope, can't sustain it. This is ugly choppiness. Good morning, Reggie. How are you? See you tomorrow, Chris. Hey, Platt. There we go. Chris leaves. Platt arrives. We're remaining. We're good. No, continuing equilibrium. How was your weekend? Burst up. Boom. Continue. Come on. We're long. Boom. Continuing up. Boom. There we go. $300 trade. That was 30 points on 5 micros. 788 to 818. What I did there, actually, I followed the 5 minute chart, kinda. Um, we got this blue candle here, and it came. We pulled back. I waited until it got to above that where that candle closed. So I actually got in a little late. The candle closed at 81. I got in at 88, but it still went 30. I was nervous because we started going red here on like little thingy, but that worked out nicely. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Amelia. uh, let's wait till the new computer's built, and I'll have it screen recording the entire session, so I'll see what it says before it got deleted. Actually, this is still going. I could have got another 20 points off of it. Nice. It's the market is happy to see you back, RJ. Missed the reversal here. This was a good reversal setup. Red candle here as we're at the top, and you can see it's come down about 20. I missed that. I got to be more on top of that. He doesn't remember it. He's become an alcoholic, Platt. His words, not mine. Excellent, Crip. Glad to hear that. Pulls back. Playing on that EMA. Oh yeah, sharp pullback there. And Q still falling. I see and keep falling. I see. No, that's Rising. I just totally screwed up the song. Oh yeah. There's a bounce. Bounced off that EMA. Uh, we're hemming and hawing again. Hey Rod, how you doing? How was the weekend? How was your day? Yeah, trying to rise again. The South will rise again. Oh, it did. Wow, nice pop. Yeah, they announced that on their Discord last night. It appears to only be them. I don't know what it is. Still rising. Wow, beautiful rise. That was a missed opportunity, that blue candle right there. One minute looked right there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Either way. quick whip back. I was typing something and missed it. Oh, crap. Thank you. I gotta reset up the top step window so I don't go to the desktop. Thank you. Thank you for letting me know that. Yeah. Okay, let's test this. Hold on. Oh, top step's still not working? Why not? Huh. All right, fine. Well, maybe it's not working on here. Hold on. Aha, it's not. That's why. The heck? Why does it keep? Hmm. Still no? Why wouldn't it pick up my top step window? I missed that short. That was a great short. So now it won't pick up my top step window anymore. The heck? Yeah, I'll figure out something. Beautiful fall here. All right, Ace. Um, Make sure you put the paperwork in. Oh, all right. Well, in that case, Wednesday CPI. Be ready. Good job. You're not going to the Dominican for 2 weeks, are you? And now the Top Step window shows up out of the blue. I hate my computer. And down. So, and I missed this on the 5 minute, but this was beautiful. Look at this. Look at that. It hit that Bollinger, came down, and then look. Look at that. 40 points and more. I bet you they have mangoes you could steal too, Ace. Yeah, projects off that EMA again. And there's another rise. And fall. And rise and fall and rise and fall and rise and fall and rise and fall. Uh, the Dow's trying to head back up for you there, RJ. Ooh, NQ popping. We're in it to win it. Come on. Nope. No, it's not going to sustain. That was a worry there. Yeah, hit the third band. Just trying again. Using my entry as resistance. Oh, rejection. Ouch, big rejection. Yeah, that was my fault. I should have got out on that first red candle. That was stupid of me. That first red candle is actually a signal for me to go short. Now let's see if we get the bounce off the EMAs though. That said, if I played that right, I could have got out for a quick loss, small loss, taken the short, and then maybe been back in it long. We'll see. Oh, that's going to stop me out of here. Yep, there it goes. Another bad play on my part. See, I have a real valid concern that I can see when I look back at a chart. If you show me a chart of any day with all my indicators on it, I can obviously see everything perfectly. But in the real time, I'm just not noticing. I was in this trade long, came back down, get out there. This was a perfect signal for me, but I didn't catch it, so I ended up taking the full stop. And you see, this is the move. Look at this, boom, 30-point move. And I'm just afraid that as much as I feel good about my strategy because it works, that I'm never going to be able to execute it because it's not the strategy's fault, it's my fault. It's, I don't know. It doesn't matter the time frame. I mean, yeah, a 5 minute time frame is could be maybe maybe that's what I need to do, but
it just looks so easy. Look at this. I mean, right here. These are three beautiful trades using my strat over the last. I mean, look at that. That's now a 50-point trade. 50, this was 50 points. This was almost. This could have been 50. Here's it just in the last 30 minutes. This is $3,000. Even here, this one didn't quite work, but if taking the blue and then getting out on this first red candle, even that wouldn't have been a loss. It would have been a 6.5 point trade. That's $130. Look at this beautiful one right here, June. This one worked. This one it was iffy. I wouldn't have taken it because of that wick, and then that second one I think I actually took, and that one didn't work, so that's fine. There's a beautiful one. I mean, there's just so many beautiful trades. This one, you can see that this should always, like, not always work, but I mean, this should be profitable on an almost a daily basis, and I'm just not reading it well in real time. Yes, but I mean, Hassan, it shouldn't matter how wild they are because there's a set criteria. If I was, if I was charting, and I spent a lot of the weekend charting again. If I was charting this blue candle, even if I would have taken it, and I probably shouldn't have even taken it because it's a huge candle, bigger than all the rest nearby, into the Bollingers. But even if I, had taken it, my strategy would be to get out after that, hits that third band and pulls down, and then get in short. And I'm just not reading that in real time, and that's starting to frustrate me. Well, yeah. And like I said, I have been studying the 5 minute. Maybe I need to do a 5 minute. Like right there, that was a beautiful purple candle on the 5 minute. And look at that. That's 30 points. So on a 5 minute chart, maybe maybe I need to look at a higher time frame. Well, I mean, if that's the case with some, then I need to abandon it. Because if I can't make the decisions to make the trades, then I'm always going to be failing. I feel so great about this strategy, and I admit it's wearing on me that I'm not able to execute. And I admit it's been wearing on me lately about how people are commenting about not really at me, but saying those who can't trade become affiliates so they can make their money off affiliates and not have to worry about being a successful trader. And that I love what the affiliates have done. Being an affiliate has done to change my life. But the goal has always been to be a successful trader. And I know that they are just hating, but it does. I just I got into trading because I wanted to be a successful trader. Because let's face it, this whole affiliate thing, this whole prop thing could go away. We've seen, a lot of issues over the last 6 months. And,
something could come down hard one day where it goes away, and I, that's I. And it's took another loss. Yeah, I mean, it hasn't been the only one lately. There's been a couple that have taken shots, and I'm not even sure they're taking shots directly at me versus, there's other big affiliates that aren't that successful, and there are some that are successful. And then there's ones that are successful that people don't believe are successful, and they believe they're just being paid by the companies to show success, which I don't think is true. Okay, so RJ, I know you meant well with that statement, but I'm not sure that made me feel any better because college quarterbacks end up leaving the game and becoming architects or nice move back up. And I just don't know if some days it's easier. Like there was that one day last week that I was just magic. Actually 2 days. And then I see NQ trying to rise here again. Oh yeah, I think YM is coming back down. I see. Made a higher low, I mean a lower high. Oh, he's say them backwards. Bouncing on the 9. Bounce or break. Trying to bounce. Nope, fails again. Tries again. There, maybe. Come on. We're long. Boom. Boom. There we go. 30 points. 765 to 795. There we go. That one was scary. So what I did there, first of all, I was looking at the 5 minute and saw that blue candle forming, so that helped me a little bit. But I took this long off this blue candle. It touched a 9. It was a little wicky, and I put my stop there below. That, so it was about a 12-point stop, and I mean, I had set for 30. I don't know why, but that seems to be what I set it at when I'm on a 5 micros. And that's what I got. I held through. I thought I was gonna get stopped out. But once the gaunt went, I just started trailing it, and then I got out to 30 points. See, when I can follow my strategy, it works. All right. Good luck, RJ. Maybe the third time's the charm. I see it's made 2 attempts so far. This is the third. Still going. Still rising. Wow. So let's look at the 5 minute chart. My strategy on the five here would be to just to let it run, not have a target. I mean, have a target, not really have a target, but it would require like a 40-point stop. But you can see this candle's run 65 points, and I would just continue monitoring it. So if I was doing the 5 minute chart right now, I would be up 70 points. I'll probably be very tempted to take it because it's still going, but now it's into the bands at the top and it's really starting to get overextended. But like on a normal trade, like that doesn't have the huge pop like this, it would be like this one here. You can see I would trail. You know, this would be my first. Okay, and then this trail, and then either get out on that red candle or continue to trail, and you can see trail, and then here's where it's starting to look like it's reversing. I'll get out there, and then that would have been a 738 to 818. That would have been an 80-point trade. So this, you can see if I decide to get out after just the one candle, it would have been about 70 points. It's pulling back now. There's no way I'm going to let it pull back 70 points by putting the stop below that candle. So I would probably be getting out right about now as it pulls back 10 points. There you go. RJ got his 390. We did miss you. Yeah, we all should have stayed in. I mean, I was in at like 64 or 65. Well, no, it was 18. Yeah, so 68 and no, 88, whatever it was. But and yeah, could have got more. And then as I'm talking about it, I just missed this. This is the perfect reversal right here. And here you can see I could have got 10 more. Another bounce though. I don't trust this blue candle bounce. Beautiful, Reggie. Great recovery. Should have trusted that blue candle. Yeah, I mean, she's right. Like on Monday, we were kidding around about, hope you weren't kidnapped or something. But by Wednesday, we were actually getting seriously concerned. So next time you decide to like extend your vacation, can you like email us? Take one of your sober moments and do that. taking a break from electronics is fine. Next time, write a letter. Write a letter. Hey, what I got here? No, we checked. We honestly did check. Ace went over and look. Still rising up to 870. Because RJ, see, I had said I was going to come back to streaming for my holiday break on the second, and I didn't. I ended up waiting till Monday, the 6th. So I thought maybe you got tired of waiting and went over there. By the way, so here's an example of why I shouldn't have gotten out if I was talking about that pullback. Look at this. This is now would have been a 100-point trade off this blue candle. Look at that. And this is why the 5 minutes been starting to entice me. So but it's just it would have to be done with micros to start or a really big account because like here I would need you need like a 50-point stop at times, and then this would have given me you got to at least go 1 to 1. So there's my 50. Could have got 60, but 50 off that blue candle. And this purple candle here, could have if I held, when that would have been ugly actually because it popped back up. But then this purple candle, so I probably would have got break even there. And this one here hits the band, so get out for another 30, and then here's 100 points. And wait, you mean mini stress you out, right, Hassan? My problem with micros, Hassan, at least on a smaller time frame, is that I don't feel like I'm doing anything. I stay in trades longer than I should because the amount isn't enough. And so I don't follow my plan. And then it comes back and hits me break even, and I should have gotten out. If it's like 1 or 2 micros. That's the last I'm using 5 micros, and that's good. I don't mind 5. So you know I have no problem with using micros on a higher time frame. Like 1 or 2 micros is what I'm saying. But on the lower time frame where I'm going for 10 points, $40 just doesn't excite me. And it's probably a bad mindset to have, but it's what it is. Yeah, USC. We don't believe that. Well, some fancy new trader's going to come in here and say USC. look at how good this NQ is. And you're going to be like, who's RJ and Ace? I don't know anything about them anymore. Did you consider a restraining order? Short bounces. Didn't even touch the 20. What the heck? There we go. It's going to bounce. Maybe. There we go. There we go. Breaks the 20. Ooh, I don't like it though. I'm out. About no, 8 points there. Oh, I should have stayed in. See, I shouldn't have let it shake me out. I should, if I had followed my plan, if I had followed my plan, I let it shake me out. I had followed my plan. Keep saying that. Original stop was here. Moved it here. Could have moved it here, 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 and you can see it. My original entry was around 866, and it just went down to 827. I could have got almost 40 points, maybe even more, but I probably would have definitely got out after that. Nope, still going. Look at that. Wow. So I got 8 points, and I could have got 50. Well, not quite 50, but yeah, think how RJ was look after 2 weeks of drinking in the sun. Rod, if you're still here, he's probably in bed. So, but Tradovate has been restored, or whoever it was. It was Rod. I don't remember. It was Rod. Whoever needed. Uh, anyway, Tradovate has been restored on Apex. I haven't shaved in 3 months or 2 months. So I need to give myself a haircut and a shave. I actually prefer my face without a beard, although people say I look better with it. But I hate the work that goes into it, so I let it grow. Uh, uh, Trying to get through that 9, I can't. Is it a California raisin? Is it going to start singing? See, purple candle there off the band. I should have taken it. Oh, yeah. See, there's me not paying attention, although we are almost at the end of the stream. Look at this big old purple candle here bouncing off the bands. Perfect setup. And again, 26 points. So this would have actually went 117 points or so
And we could have got this. This is the 5 minute chart. Yep, see ya when. Oh, Ace. So if you might not be here tomorrow, remember trash. So I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. We'll be back tomorrow for some hot PPI action starting at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. I hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you then. Bye.
Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also, want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.